Our solar system. Sun. The Sun is the center of our solar system. The Sun gravity holds the solar system together. It is the largest object in our solar system. More than 99.8% of the solar system's total mass. 1.3 million Earths to fill it. It is a glowing ball of hydrogen and helium. Sun is a source of an enormous amount of energy, light and heat to support life in Earth. The Sun's surface is about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 5,500 degrees Celsius. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Despite its proximity to the Sun, Mercury is not the hottest planet. Mercury has surface temperatures both extremely hot and cold. Day temperatures can reach 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 430 degrees Celsius, and at night as low as -290 degrees Fahrenheit, -180 degrees Celsius. A terrestrial planet. It is the smallest planet in the solar system, only slightly larger than Earth's moon. With a radius of about 1,516 miles, 2,440 kilometers. When it is closest to the Sun, it is only 29 million miles, 47 million kilometer. Its farthest distance to the Sun is 43 million miles, 70 million kilometer. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. Earth's closest planetary neighbor. Often called Earth's twin because of the similarities in their masses, sizes, and densities and their similar relative locations in the solar system. Venus spins backward. Has a day longer than its year. One day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system because of thick toxic atmosphere filled with carbon dioxide, and is perpetually shrouded in thick, yellowish clouds of sulfuric acid that trap heat, causing a runaway greenhouse effect. Venus is a landscape of valleys and high mountains dotted with thousands of volcanoes. Average distance from the Sun to Venus is about 108 million kilometers. Earth. Third planet from the Sun. Our home planet. The only place we know of so far that's inhabited by living things. The only one in our solar system with liquid water on the surface, covering 70.8% of Earth's surface. Earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. We have only one moon. The gravitational attraction between Earth and the Moon causes tides on Earth. 365.26 days to complete an orbit around the Sun. Earth takes 23 hours 56 minutes and 4 seconds to complete one rotation. Earth's average distance from the Sun is about 93 million miles, 150 million kilometers. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is called the red planet because of its reddish object viewed in the night sky. Mars is a dusty, cold, desert world, iron minerals and dust, causing the surface to look red. A terrestrial planet. Martian solar day 24.6 hours. One complete rotation. It orbits the Sun once in 687 Earth days. Mars has two moons named Phobos and Deimos. Mars' distance from the Sun is about 142 million miles, 228 million kilometers. Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun. Largest planet in our solar system. One of the natural brightest objects in the night sky. The gas giant. Jupiter is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. famous Great Red Spot, a giant storm bigger than Earth. Jupiter has between 80 to 95 moons, about 12 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Rapid rotation rate of 1 complete rotation per 10 hours. Jupiter average distance from the Sun is about 484 million miles, 778 million kilometers. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is the second largest planet in our solar system. Saturn is a gas giant like Jupiter, mostly made of hydrogen and helium. Saturn has 145 moons. Saturn is called Jewel of the solar system, because of its dazzling, complex system of icy rings. It is also called ringed planet. About 29.45 Earth years to orbit the Sun. About 10.7 hours to complete one rotation. Saturn average distance from the Sun is about 886 million miles, 1.4 billion kilometers. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. Uranus is one of two ice giants. Most of the planet is made of water, ammonia, and methane. Has the coldest atmosphere. It is the third largest planet in our solar system. Uranus has 27 moons. It has two sets of rings. About 17 hours to complete one rotation. About 84 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Its axis of rotation is approximately parallel to the plane of the solar system, with an axial tilt of 97.77 degrees. Uranus' average distance from the Sun is about 1.8 billion miles, 2.9 billion kilometers. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun. It is the fourth largest planet in our solar system. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun, but it is not the coldest. Due to its distance from Earth, it cannot be seen with the unaided eye. It has 14 moons. Neptune is one of two ice giants. A dark cold planet. Neptune has at least 5 main rings, and 4 ring arcs. One complete rotation is about 16 hours. About 164.8 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Neptune average distance from the Sun is about 2.8 billion miles, 4.5 billion kilometers. Pluto was once considered the ninth planet in the solar system. It was demoted in 2006 as dwarf planet. In ice mountains and frozen plains. Pluto has 5 moons. One complete rotation is about 153 hours. About 248 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Pluto average distance from the Sun is about 3.7 billion miles, 5.9 billion kilometers.